hindi mag-init ng ulo. Alam mo si Inday. Pero si Inday siguro may sabi sa kanya.
So, who is vice mayor? You or Inday?
Ano?
Sino mas isog sa inyo? Ikaw o si Inday?
Hindi mo na ako isog. Yung mag-movement ng isog.
Maisog yun.
Puro retired na ako, sabi ko. Wala na ako.
So, si Inday?
Ako, I have full faith. Kaya niya yan. Anak ko yan eh. Kilala ko. Kaya niya. Pero, one thing is clear. Yung direksyon ng administrasyon, doon talaga sa amin.
So, ano ang magiging logical conclusion with everything that is happening now? Is BBM going to suffer the same fate as his father?
I do not. That remains to be seen.
Mayor, is it not a good idea for Vice President Sara to just answer the questions that are being posed by...
Nag-answer nga ng question sila eh. Yung quad man hanggang sira.
Yung how did she spend
Yes, pina-explain nga niya muna yung ano niya. Kasi hindi pa tapos ang kuwa. Kaya niya sinulatan na huwag mag-entertain magkuha ng papel kasi yung documents are with kuwa. So that if kuwa would 6 months yan eh. Kuha would be asking additional documents. Hindi sila magkandarapa, maghanap kasi nandyan na lahat. Ina-imbestiga na nga eh. Eventually, mag-testify yan siya. Pero yung mga documents muna, hindi yan trabaho ng...
Sir, may mga nag-comment na po sa social media na people power na lang daw po. Is it possible?
Sir, wag. Alam mo, dumangan ako pagka-presidente. Not for anybody, not for anything else. Meron tayong problema. Malaking problema. Sabi ko, insignificant yung nangyari dyan kay Lopez pati kay Inday. Binata man yung threat, patay-patayan. Itong luko-lukong Malacanang, ang problema ng isa pa dyan, yung National Security Advisor po noon, si... Alam mo naman yan, hindi namin kaya yan.
Ang gusto nila ipalabas ba palalabasin mayor na nagnakaw ng pera si Vice?
Yeah, wala pa nga audit eh. Gusto na nila palabasin gano'n. Tama yung kay Inday. Because according to her, sabi ko pasensya na dyan. Kaya ikaw yung forerunner sa presidency. Gusto ata na ni Martin maging presidente. So, hindi naman masama. Eh, ayaw ko magsalita because everybody has the right to dream. If Inday wants to be also, she can also dream. So, wala tayong ano dyan. Ang tingin ko ang mas mabigat na problema na dapat malaman ng Pilipino is nag-hemorrhage ang country. Pati yung PhilHealth nga na hindi sa gobyerno, contribution natin yan kasi kung magpa-hospital ka, noon yung may pambayad ka, depende sa ano mo, category yung rates mo. Kung ibang iyo, dividido ka talaga na full o paglabas mo, wala ka ng bayaran. Yun ang ano noon, yung 16 billion na nilipat nila. That is the most dangerous at dapat ang inestapay. Government malverse the money of the people. Ginamit mo yung pera ng ano. And even Congress cannot do that. Trust fund yun eh. Galing inyo yun. Pati akin. Contribution yun natin para pag nagkasakit ka ng cancer, uterus, may pa-opera ka. Ang nawala ang ating PhilHealth funds natin lahat was about 8.9 billion 89 billion. Of that 89 billion, 27 na lang ang nawala. 27 na lang ang natira. Paano yan? Hindi man maano ng ganito. Ang akin is, bakit nila pinakialaman?
Pero Mr. President, if you see that this really, may establish na yan, ang problema ganito, if we're going to file a case sa court, but the justice system, the courts, is a government.
No, the court ang pumapasok ang Supreme Court. Hinintuan mo na sila eh. Huwag mong pakialaman yan, kaya hindi yan inyo. Ako, fiscal ako. Ang alam mong, nalbas nila yung pera eh. Ang naiwan kasi 29 billion lang. Out of the 89, 29 na lang. Saan ang pera namin?
Sabi ko, binalik President Mayor.
Ano, ibalik mo wala mong pera. Maghiram nga ng pera eh. Ang gobyerno na ito, walang project. Wala kang nakikita ng project. Maintenance na lang. Kasi ayuda, ano yan, APCAP, ayuda. Tupad. Naubos doon. Naubos ni Romualdez kasi Romualdez, congressman lang, pero unright ang pamigay niya. May tag 5 mil kayo ngayon. Kita ko sa TV kasi ulit. Pera na. Sus Maria Joseph, Ginoo, Romualdez. Nahawa ka naman sana sa amin. Ang Maharlika Fund, ang target nila sa ito ang 250 billion. Kinuna nila ang GSIS ng 62.5 billion. Yan, pera rin ng mga taga-gobyerno yang empleyado. Kami sa namin. Sa mga trabahante yan, housing loan ka, ito, kinuha, binigay para ayuda. Ang mga membro nito, hindi na makaloon, enrollment ng mga bata, mahirapan sila nito kasi magkakaroon ito ng anomaly sa flow ng ng SSS, kinuha rin 62 billion. Private rin yan. Para sa mga empleyado. LBP 62 billion. DBP 62 billion. Kaya iyang sa sundalo, pati yung retirement nila patayan.
Given all these predicaments, sir, and you have the legal basis on the misuse of funds,
Okay, meron
are
na.
there legal remedies in your mind to help the
Meron
Philippines?
na. Lahat ito, The example, yung PhilHealth na binara sila, yun yan. Hindi man nila pera ito lahat. Ito ang problema ngayon. Gastusin nila ito, naiwan what is left from the original ano nila. Kagaya nitong PhilHealth, 89 billion. Ang naiwan ay 29 billion na lang. So, kung walang pera, anong gawin nila? Maghirap.
But they juggle
Foreign
people's
money.
money.
Wala na silang majagul dyan. Ano ba jagul-jagul? Tignan mo, bakit ang majagul?
They transferred it, di ba, from private to government.
Hindi na ito, hindi na kailangan i-jagul. Andiyan na sa kanilang kamay. Ano pa jagulin nila yan? They would spend it, ayuda. Hindi na may jagul, may ayuda.
Will you initiate the filing of charges? Will you initiate the filing of charges? Or will you make a move to stop the government from taking
Meron,
loans?
it is, tignan natin ang resulta sa Supreme Court, yung sa PhilHealth ngayon. So, para magkaroon tayo ng predicate of how to go about.
They fear that you will call for a mass movement in Davao City given the situation from PhilHealth to the Quadcom and
Tignan ko
extrajudicial
lang.
killings.
Kung
Mass mobilization of people power for that.
ang alam ko man, sinong pupunta lang doon, ikaw, patay ako. Bakit ka mag...
Dumala ka, sir, no?
Alam ko man ang walang pupunta doon.
Why?
Mag-mass movement ako, tayo dalawa lang.
Sir, ano sila, sir, na nawala na daw tong the magic of Duterte crowd?
Magic, wala na. Matagal na yung walang magic. Sinabi ko, retired na ako.
But when you say that,
I do not need to be on the front or at the back or on the side. Retired na ako. Ang rating ko, maski ilagay mo ako dyan sa 1 to 10, mamili ka, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Wala na ba? Ano bang Duterte magic? Ano?
ikaw lang may
Wala na
makatawag
ako.
ng crowd. It's only your word that can compel people to come together and raise the common voice of
Istorya lang yan, media, kaya ganun. Ganun ang ginawa ko noon, wala man lagi. Hindi ba?
So when you say that, it's the other way around, no? The history of the Duterte leadership in Davao says, pag sinabi mo yan, iba yung nangyayari. Pag sinabi mong wala,
Wala na. Ang tao, hindi na nakikinig sa akin yan. Kasi wala na akong power, matanda na ako. Nag-okay na ako, kaya the last time ako nagmotor, hindi ko na talaga kaya. 7 months ago, nagmotor ako uli. Kalakad pa man ako ng gusto. Nung natumba ako, may kunting crack na dito. Ayaw ko na rin mag-opera. Kaya balitan man ang nikab. Sabi ko, katapos sabi ko, ano do? Mag-cane pa rin ako. Oo, mag-cane ka. O di ayaw na lang ko operahin, mag-cane na lang ko. Sugar cane na lang taan eh.
Mayor, may...
Natumba ako mga 7 months ago. Ito na ako, okay pa man sana ako. Tatawa, hindi pa ako hindi ako inutil. Ang masakit pa, kaya nga nagmotor ako ng magaan. Yung 600 lang, 800 kasi ang 1,000, 1,100. Yung Honda na blue na wala pa, matagal na talaga. Pag hindi ko nabawi sa
Sir, given the situation na may perceived na problema between the Duterte and the Marcoses camp, ano yung advice mo sa mga tao who are wanting and who needed to hear your voice to bring back the people together?
To all Filipinos now listening to me, punta kayo kay Marcos lahat. Tignan natin kung anong mangyari. Mga Pilipino, nakikiusap ako, Punta kay Marcos, wala, hindi kami nagipag-contest kay Marcos. Never. Wala kaming bilyon, trilyon na nakadeposito sa kung saan sa bangko.
Magpunta.
Sa utak lang yan na Trillanes.
Mayor, tinutong nakapile lang ang kaso po kang Trillanes.
Ano?
Itong file ng kaso kay Trillanes. Nakapile na po.
Wala pa ako natumbang ako sa motor.
Nag-file na ba yung kaso kay Trillanes after the Quadcom hearing?
Kaya nga, alam mo, pinapakita mo ng bangko, fake talaga yan. Hindi ka makakuha ng... Kung magkuha ka ng sa bangko ng papel, bawal rin yan. Ngayon, kung ipalandra mo, bawal rin yan. Ipinasok mo doon sa Quadcom, use of falsified documents, another crime yan. Alam mo, hindi ko na kasi
Mayor, yung sinasabing disbarment daw laban kay Vice President at impeachment against sa VP, ano comment yun doon?
di ba si Inday?
Opo.
Ay, kaligayan ng Inday impeach nila. Malayo pa man yung 2028. Di ba pasyal sa mga pasyal ka?
So she's running in 2028 for president.
Wala siguro.
Sabi mo kasi malayo pa ang 2028. Therefore, yun ang conclusion.
Kaya pa, mga malayo pa. Doon na tayo, pagdating natin, mag-decide tayo kung tama na yung, sabi ko nga kay Inday, tama na yung Vice President. Total tatay niya, Presidente man. Okay na yan.
Mr. President, have you ever, there were reports that there were threats sa buhay ni Inday before sa mga, among his guards, and then, did she ever confer with you or talk to you about it?
We do not talk about politics, Inday.
No, not politics, security.
Security, kaya ni Inday. May security yan si Inday. Huwag kang maniwala, wala yung security.
Being the father, sa ito yung gibati ito, nakita niyo siya na she was seeking for help and you were there. I suppose you were still awake that time. Sa ito mong feeling na yun?
Lingaw.
Meaning so called.
I am entertained. Wala mo nangyayari sa anak ko. She's not hurt. Of course, there's yung hearing sa confidential funds niya. Bakit man ako magsabi matukotin mo ako imbis niya magko confidential fund? O sige, tanungin mo ako. What did you about it? You ask me. I'll give you the correct answer.
What happened to your confidential fund, supposedly? Without.
Well, it was spent properly.
But why is she not answering the Congress daw?
Confidential nga eh. Bakit patawagin niya ang confidential kung...
Pero yun kasi yung issue na ginamit.
But you kept mum about it all along.
lahat yan sila, pati yan si Martin Romualdez, wag binabit ang bilyon yan. Kaya, mausapan lang naman. Maybe one of the things that I will do next is, of course, this time I would be appealing to every Filipino. Lahat na. Once and for all. Buhay man yung kuha, hindi man nasunog yung building nila, pero lang kung sunogin andyan man yan, buksan natin lahat. Huwag na lang muna yung ibang ngayon yung this year lang. Tapos, pagkatapos, buksan natin next year. Buksan ng Congress. Ang Congressman, hinamon ko ba sila? To open your books. Ang sagot naman ito ni Trillanes, open your bank account. Makihati ka pa sa putang yun ng pera ko. You know, sa bangko, huwag ka magtanong kung saan ko nakuha yan. Kinukuha ko yan sa hold up, nakuha ko yan sa smuggling. Wala ka nang pakialam. Nandiyan nga sa bangko. Pero ito, simple lang. Opening of the bank na libro. Hindi naman bangko yan eh. Audit.
Pero bingi man sila, Mayor, sa
Ang hindi talaga ino-audit. Telling you now, without batting on eyelash, ang hindi ino-audit, Office of the President, pati Office of the Speaker of the House. Hindi ka magtanong ka ng witness. Katabi ko, speaker man yan. No? Tanongin mo pag may malakas ba na sira ulo dyan sa audit na mag-audit. Audit lang yan.
So Mayor, you are saying that you are open to opening the book of how she spent the confidential funds.
Of course, yes to. Nandiyan, inaano lang nila yan. Hindi pa yun na careful masyado yan. Alam kasi niya. Kaya ingat.
So why can't she just explain it, Mayor?
Ini-explain na nga eh. Sa document nasa documentary, ano ba? Ngayon pag na-present na lahat sa COA, pero sa COA ang ibang dokumento eh. Kaya nga sabi niya, Zuleika, wag mo na munang ibigay dito. Kumpletuhin mo na yung COA audit namin.
But that was the reason that Attorney Zuleika was cited for confidential.
That's the reason why should it be an interference kung sinabi ko, wag mo muna akong ipa-audit dito, tapusin mo yung audit doon, yung papilis nandiyan yan. What is wrong with that? What is contemptible sa...
In a word, how would you describe all these procedures from the Senate to Congress calling you and your children for investigation?
No, I cannot talk for the Senate. The Senate, it's a bit formal.
Well, at Congress,
Tanungin mo si Bibot. Si Bibot man nandun. Bakit ako tanungin? Di man ako...
how do you see this now?
Siya.
Ikaw gani akong gipangutana. Kasi mo tanaw aning ginahimo karon sa Congress, no? It's you,
Ako
Vice President.
Bibot Alvarez.
Ikaw gani imong feeling.
Kaya nga kasi sagot dito eh.
Ikaw lang.
Pagkakanta ka ni Ron.
Mayo. Asa tayo mo feeling, Mayor, nga marag personal naman ni inyo, ha?
Kayo na ba nung you are yung pretended naivety ninyo klaro masyado. Alam mo naman yung politika yan. Alam ninyo walang oposisyon, walang liberal. Kaya nga ako naman, I'm aghast na ang ano nila eh, pinapanaman Marcos pati Duterte. Bakit Duterte? Wala man kami. Opposition kami in the sense that we can talk against them on many issues. Pero hindi sabihin mo na, pero ang labas ngayon, walang iba yung wala yung nasyonalista, liberal, ako PDP. But kami na yung ano, ayaw ko.
So you're the opposition now.
Hindi man, but we will talk about issues against government. If it is for the people, if it is for the interest of the people, and against if it is not good for the people.
So are you open for those other politicians who would come in and join your group?
Wala mang matapang na politician nga na bebot lang man.
Sir, there are...
Who will join you? Walang matapang?
Ha?
Walang matapang na politician who will join you?
Mas grabe ito, bebot kaya nung military, paano na niya? Military, wake up.
Sir, there are observers now from other countries.
Hindi
that says
ganito yan.
There's a silent martial law in the Philippines.
Correct. Yan. Ang tao ngayon wala nang mapuntahan kasi kay tulay ka. Biro mo, there was an order at a certain point yung the other night, dadalhin siya sa correctional institution. Kung natuloy nalagay siya, saan siya magtakbo? Hindi magagalaw itong Supreme Court kasi separation of powers. Lalo na Malacanang kasi tampalos-los bata niya. So itong tao walang matakbuhan. Yan ang sinabi ko. There is a fractured governance. Nabali lang, hindi lang na-sprain. There is a fractured in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can... it's a long process mapapil sa Supreme Court. Unless you... dala ka ng kaso doon, matagalan yan. Next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So, it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sabihin ko, Presidente ako, nakita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang presidente na in face of so many errors there, nagtupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, it fractured the governance. It is only the military who can correct it.
Are you saying a military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka na doon, dalawa niya, ano mga opisyal yan. Sinabi nang magpunta ka. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig kong sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila, doon sa bukid, maglinis ng baril. Magsabi lang sila na we are not anymore hindi na sila kudita magpunta yung tangki digira noon. Sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami dyan. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor?
Getting out means just sitting down.
I don't know. Basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan basta sabi na military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water. Pati kami in the coming days, mawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasali sa inyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest, Mayor. Will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. They will not take orders from the Commander-in-Chief. That's it.
Kaya, hindi, sabihin na nga niya, Sir, huwag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo namin yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS, PhilHealth, 89.
Pakita doon sa amo survey.
Pero
Pinagbili
Sir.
nila,
Sir.
saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin sold amounting to 129 billion. At least sa Congress, kung may resolution, tapos a bill that would correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ng people dyan pati ito. So, saan itong 25 tons? Alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laro ninyo.
Pero Mayor,
Ano
parang
gagawin nila?
play safe naman ang
How do
military
you
ngayon.
describe the military na
Do you think si Browner po ay mag-react nito?
State yours. Can you restate your statement?
Can you expect that Browner will react?
When ito, pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, guard.
Oo, kasi may statement siya, dapat nagpapisan, dapat parang stay put lang yung military, wala naman siyang sinabi, no? In fact, si Inday nga nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung Chief of Staff. Paano daw makakatulog yung
AP Chief of Staff?
AFP Chief of Staff?
Na bilyon-bilyon yung nawawala.
Pagtagal na siya natulog, alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagdudruga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang hindi. Ang mga polis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdameo nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung sipo ni mag-usap kami, yung sipo ni Lagdameo magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagtulo yung sipo niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na si Lagdameo durugista. Alam ni Lagdameo na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be, yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man yan. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get a correct and accurate true answer from kung kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would...
The right to be heard,
Mayor?
the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan, Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Karaming sabi, ganun, tantrum. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong. Mr. Military, give us a right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
It is short of challenging Browner na. It is short of challenging Browner na to happen.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, address sabi ko, wag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kaya kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the president. Start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Yung presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist. Ikaw yung
And
hinihintay.
people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo wala siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulika. Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang dyan.
But people are saying, pag main mo si Tatay Digong, alsaming tanan. So how do you react to all this?
Ako kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been already.
Kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa,
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating record. We will ask. Tapos ganun. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may maganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not,
No nothing.
to enjoy, just to
No nothing.
You're just airing out as a citizen.
Mayor,
I mean,
to enjoin them to opt out,
what?
from supporting what you said was Durug is the president. Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
That's civilian ako. I have no authority to order.
No, not order, but just to enjoin them or
And I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of well, sabihin ko sa Pilipino, Davao, oo. Sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. So may isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nag-suicide, minumurak, if you can tap the fingers and say, huwag ka na masyado matulog, kunti na lang. Ano kung ako yun, isin mo, huwag ka matulog. Kabi ka lang. Murahin mo, kaya puta napahiya ka. Sundalo ng pagkamatay.
Meron din na ang Bernard Mayor na
Oo, nabaril. Sa argument yun. Ito na argument pa about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the Colonel.
Mayor, yung PSP,
Was with
what happened pala sa PSP?
Colonel? Hindi ko nagsuicide yun.
Yung PSG
Yung PC nagsuicide. Minura niya.
ni
Ni Mrs. Marcos.
kailan yan, Mayor?
kailan Mayor?
Bago lang. Siguro mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor,
Mayor, may ano dito paas daw, paano mag-react si Browner kasi ang sister daw ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Mayor, going back, what
Alam mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino, wala man tayong magawa. That is his view.
But
Now, for the others,
Mayor, from these happenings po, as a former president,
ma'am, sinasabi ko na ngayon, there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. There is no relief inside. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
But how if
Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon. So, bahala sila.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Di, palakpakin, let us applaud the military. We applaud the military for doing nothing.
Do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we'll clap our hands and say that the military is takot. Kasi sinabi mo.
Hindi ko ba sila nabusan ng
Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
What is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh. Hindi ako.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like...
The silent martial law.
Martial law is a military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. Itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, tambaluslos, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the Constitution. Diyan na magulo dyan talaga dyan. And to make Martin from Speaker mag-transition to si Martin mag-transition from Speaker to
Prime Minister.
the parliamentary Prime Minister. Under is the ceremonial president na lang si Marcos.
Sir, what's your reaction for the possibility of no L next year? No election. Possibility.
It can be possible. Wala din. Yung cards wala sa Pilipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and President Marcos.
Mayor, bali drugs na issue na kuan ni PNP Chief Marvin na nagpagawa siya statement before nga ang mga drug users daw kaya di addict. Unsa po'y comment na to ani?
Nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime.
Nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime or extend ang ilang oras sa pagpanarbaho. From the PNP Chief mismo.
Ang nagagamit
Ang mga nagagamit daw og drugs kay dili daw addict. Nagagamit lang daw sila, labi na daw sa mga trabahante para lang daw i-extend ang ilang oras sa pagpanarbaho.
Maganda yan. Maganda yan. So,
Why?
what is an addict? And what is not an addict? An addict who uses shabu and continues to hit, inom. But the other kind of addict is trabaho, hit, para hindi makatulog, hit. Tapos at the end of the day, siya ang kakainin na makinarya niya. Kasi sabog na siya. Siya na yung papasok doon sa oil mill.
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Romualdez, would give up on his dream of becoming president in 2028?
Wala na, I don't think so.
Wala nang pag-asa.
Wala nang ngayon, mayroon akong suggestion sa military. Pero hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, mapunta man ako ng Maynila, I'll be frank with them, ilagtan ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, daling ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin. Pati itong gold reserve natin. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso ngayon?
59.
So may plano kayo, Mayor, na puntahan ang
25 tons.
magpunta ng Camp Aguinaldo? Meron kayong plano? Naka-schedule?
Ako?
Opo.
Hindi ako punta nung...
Yung sabi mo, kausapin mo.
Military.
Kaiban. Hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tako. Yung freewheeling discussion, para sabihin nila nagaplano ka ng pudita,
Mr.
o
Browner,
rebellion.
sir.
Ayaw ko yan eh. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But you are optimistic na the military will talk or meet you?
Ayaw ko rin kung yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na ako share my saying. Kasi ako hindi naman nag-agitate talaga ng forcible removal.
Pero wala pang schedule
Kailan, sir?
Wala ako, malapit na. I don't know kailan ako ulit.
Will you have an appointment with General Broder about this and talk man-to-man about this issue sa kanya?
The General
Broder.
It's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So, ibang general, sir.
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the Lieutenant Colonels,
The ground commanders, you mean?
Lieutenant Colonels, and Major and down.
The ground commanders, you mean?
Marami bang
Take the
napapaliwanag
loyalty
ngayon
check,
na
Mayor.
takot lang yun sa mga mababang posisyon? Marami bang nagpapahiwatig ngayon pero takot lang sila because chain of command?
Dismos ko, sir.
You know, to the military, of course there is the military discipline. But if you can talk, if it is really to the interest of the country, why should you not?
Ngayon
Can they resort to loyalty check, Mayor?
Again?
Among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the
Among
military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Ano yung protector of the Constitution? That's a very... what does it mean to them and what does it mean to tayong mga tao?
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor? Like, nung panahon ni, ng diktador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, the Dutertes are based in Davao. Di ba mahirap to mobilize or...
Hindi sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money going there? Wala naman akong kita. Ang ginagamit kong pagkain na yun, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80.
Oy,
Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle ko?
ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Iyo.
Sir, given your fracture, but you are part of the whole, what is the equation?
Ang pagkaroon.
Iyo.
Gusto ba na yung gabihin na? Mayor, given the fracture, but you are still part of the whole, what is the equation?
No more. Ayaw ko na. I'm just give a statement. Bahala kayo.
Mayor, what do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials o officers yung sinasabi mo? What do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes po.
Expectation. Wala ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila that they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict, na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out with the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kanilang trabaho yan eh. Protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if we protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
Will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again?
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now, na the protector, are you going to ask them that?
Sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking. I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information Saan na naman ang pera namin? So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth, contribution namin ito sa individual Kayo, wala hindi sa PhilHealth, tanongin ko kasi ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo, saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan?
Yatag na sa Yuda, uy.
Yuda.
Ngayon mo itong mga tao nakakaon.
Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi ginakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation. And that I will tell yung sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth na mag-explain ito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain ito sa public?
Mag-explain ako sa public?
I mean,
Bubulahin kayo niyan?
Medyo na-comfort kayo kay VP Inday after nung birthday na nangyari?
Wala ka ganyan. Bigas ang babae niya. Ang maldita niya. Doon lang.
Mayor, what's your reaction sa sinabi ng administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, magkikipag-coordinate daw sila?
I heard Mr. Marcos say that if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, we cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man, look at it, wala akong problema, insignificant rin ako dyan But if you are going to recognize ICC, you are eroding the sovereignty of the country. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko lang idama yung bayan. Back up na lang ako, tapos kung may mag-treat na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako. Sabihin ko man lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong pangalan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last bago umalik ako pagka-presidente? Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to face the ICC?
Ay, at yung pinakagitna na sabi mong pinatay ko, kailan ang birthday noon?
So kung walang masagot, Mayor,
Lapulapot si Magellan yung pinatay mo.
Pero Mayor, isang question po, it's because of your admission daw during the Quadcom hearing, sabi nila may task force na daw na binuo ang DOJ to investigate.
So, what I said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay na, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Nausansyon.
O, preparar ka ng, hindi kayo pwede maglay.
But on the investigation daw na binubuo ng DOJ.
Ang investigations, nandoon ka sa pulis. Huwag ka man kumuha ka. Ang pulis man ka investigar. O, doon mo malaman.
Did you bite the hook ba during the fishing
Wala naman doon
expedition?
na extrajudicial killing, care of Rudy Duterte.
How? Alas Trillanes.
Trillanes, huwag mo na lang, ako gusto kong patulan. Pero, alam mo talaga, hopelessly bugok. Talagang, wala ka rin makuha eh. No use to engage a person na dreamer.
What they're saying, you did a lot of biting. Personally, did you bite the hook while they were fishing?
Ano?
They're telling, they're saying that you've admitted a lot, and you were saying that they are into fishing expedition. Have you remembered the moment na you bite the hook of the Congress?
Kayo, nakikinig man kayo.
Ikaw.
Wala ma. Nakikinig man kayo. Was there, did I take the hook? Bait?
Yeah.
Yes, Mayor.
Saan?
When you said that, you ordered the killing.
Oh,
And also when you said that there was a...
the killing of what? Chickens ang sinabi ko doon. Kung ano yan, no? Alam mo naman, look, because they were stupid persons ask me questions. I was answering them stupid answers. What did you admit? Yes, I would admit what? Because they would like to hear na anong gusto nilang what would like to hear. So binigay ko sa kanila, yes, I make it killings. 1,000. Pagdating ko, so what about the statement? Good luck. If you ask a silly question, you get a silly answer. If you're an ignoramus, you get an ignorant. And I said, thousands of chickens. Marami kong pinatay.
Mayor, on the lighter note, anong feeling na katabi kayo ni De Lima?
Wala, hindi ko talaga, matagal ko na-realize.
Come on!
Hindi kasi nagsanang, ganun siya palagi.
Drumstick lang.
Hindi talaga there was never a time nagganon siya. Tingnan ko kamera ulit.
Almost mo ibinato yung mic. Ano siya, concern siya sa'yo.
Kaya ano naman. Kasi yung mic nakatali pala. Binunot ko ng ganon. Ito sana kaya walang ano. Yung microphone ba, may ganon ko. Tali.
Mayor, nasaktan daw po si Lima, sinabihan yung walk-walk.
Wala ko sinabi niya, Noy. Ano sinabi ko daw? Doon sa ano? Wala. Okay daw.
Pierre, ano po ang reaction natin tungkol sa sagot ni President PBM na sa pagtatangka ni VP Sara